Help us, Amy.
Closets. Wow. People ask me all the time, how do I organize a closet? And I'm like, well, what are you storing in that closet? Because the answer would change dramatically depending on what's stored. So today I think we're going to talk more about clothes, how to store clothes, what to do with them. Let's start with the master closet, for example. If your closet is crammed, way too full, which pretty much every house we go into has way too many clothes crammed in the closet, so don't feel bad if you're in that boat. First of all, go through your clothes and decide, is there anything that's, ripped, stained, torn, belt buckles broken, whatever it is. Those are easy things that you can part with, right? Or set aside to take to the alterations place. So those are easy things. Purge anything that you can from your closet. If you put it on in the morning, it doesn't make you feel fantastic, like you're ready to attack the day, let it go. You don't want to hold on to stuff that you're just, doesn't really make you feel very good, doesn't fit very well, and a lot of people hold on to it anyways. So that's the first place to start. Second thing I suggest to people is if you're having trouble figuring out if you've worn it recently or not, we have a little game that we play where we turn all the hangers backwards in the closet, and then we mark your calendar for 1 year from now. And every time you wear an item of clothing, you turn your hanger around correctly. And then at the end of the year, you can see, did I wear this item or not? Most people wear about 20% of the stuff in their closet all the time. So.
Well, except for me, because I wear everything every day, moving them around. But, there are lots of other things in the closet, too, besides clothing. You get shoes and wrapping paper and, safe. That's just our house. Crazy stuff.
Exactly. The master closet sometimes can become a catch-all if it's a bigger storage area. If your closet is smaller, I recommend that you just get everything out of the closet that's not clothing or accessories. So if it's not shoes, purses, belts, potentially jewelry even, or clothing, get that out of your closet. Use the top of your closet to store things that you use less frequently. So for example, I have a little travel bin for when I go on trips, and I keep things that I only take with me, like purses, accessories, things that I would only use on vacation. I keep those up out of the way in the travel bin. Out of season clothing is a whole other thing. Some people use an extra closet in their house. Personally, I've got 2 rods, an upper and a lower rod. And so I put my current season on the top and my out of season on the bottom. So that's one way you can help organize your closet. Some people like to put things by color order. That's fun. Personally, I don't do mine by color order. I do it by the length of the sleeve. That way, if I'm looking for a top that I can wear under a jacket, I know just where to go, to the sleeveless section. Or if I'm looking for a sweater, I go to the heavy sweater section. So that helps organize it. I really don't have enough clothes to sort them all by color. I don't have that many colors, I guess.
Well, I love the idea of using the sleeve length because it's easy to see, too. Amy, send our customers, send our audience to your website so they can contact you.
Yes, it's lastingorder.net. And we've got articles on there. Also, you can read about other kinds of organizing, or you can call us at 812-858-2457, and we'd be happy to help you come organize your closet.
Thank you so much, Amy Payne. We'll see you soon.